Let's talk about clean water. Is the water that comes out of the faucet clean? How do we know it's clean? I mean, is it clean? Do we know? Grant, what do you think right here?
Yes, I do think it's clean.
Why?
Because they go through a water filter and they filter the water through it, like we're gonna do today. They make it clean so the water is fresh.
Okay, so there's some sort of cleaning process that happens,
Yeah.
right? They understand the word treatment, that something happens to it, but they don't really get what happens or, once again, how it relates to them. Isabel, would you like to share out what you think about the water being clean?
Well, I have my faucet at home. We have a button that makes it pure water, and so we drink only the pure water, and then when we push the button again, it becomes just normal water that we just like wash stuff with.
Okay, so you think normal tap water is not clean?
Well, it could be pretty clean, but not super clean.
Oh, okay, so maybe there's different levels of like clean? A couple lessons that I have planned involve them building their own water filtration device. And so it's kind of an open experiment about how could you take polluted water and get it clean. And so it's going to lead us into a discussion about recycling water and treating water and that part of the water cycle.
When we built the water filter, I thought it was really fun to try it out, and me and my partner Zach, what we did was that we just did a bunch of layers of things, and what we noticed was that the cinnamon or the ground dirt, that's what we are using it for, that was like really, really bad, because when we put that in, it just like seeped through everything and got in the water, which means that in real life that probably really happens with soil or ground dirt. And that was like really surprising.
It kind of looks like the oil is in there. Because if you look, it looks a little oily.
No, it's from the cinnamon.
No, it looks oily. Just look clearly.
Oh, yeah.
It looks a little oily.
Yeah.
So,
But
see,
the napkin got that.
yeah, but we need to find something else that makes the oil like not go through at all. So
Maybe you should put the cotton balls at the bottom and put the napkin at the
well,
top.
if we try anything, these will probably not go through because they're really big.
The water was definitely cleaner because when I started, it was like totally brown. And when we poured it in, it looked almost like a lighter iced tea. It was definitely lighter, but you can still see nasty things in it.
This thing, see, like you can see that this thing get like a lot of stuff. If I could make another filter, I wouldn't use sand, and I'd try to like make like the layers thicker so the oil can't get through. I still don't understand like how people can clean the water so it's pretty healthy for us to drink.
So I'd hope that they'd walk away at the end knowing that you can take polluted water, somehow get it clean, and then that water goes back into the cycle. So it's kind of this connection piece for them.